February 28th, last day of February, and it has been snowing, just dumping all night. It's crazy. We have so much snow, and it's supposed to go all morning and all day into tonight. It is some heavy snow. I think it's a lot thicker than it looks. Plus, I'm in the woods. Out in the open, it's going to be a lot thicker. Yikes. This is insane. We got so much snow up here on our mountain, down in town. All the schools are closed, highways are covered, freeways covered. This is crazy. Oh man. Beanie, this is the deepest snow you've ever been in. Oh, Beanie. You can make it, Beanie. You can make it. Go, Beanie, go! Go, Beanie! This is crazy.
Nelly, are you stuck in the snow? Nelly, I love you.
A winter wonderland. Just in time because we just almost got done. Huh? Why? is insane. There's so much snow over here. This is crazy. I barely made it around on the quad. Kept getting stuck. It's so deep. This is crazy. Winter wonderland. Hold on! Hold on! Lily. Get it, Lily, get it! Lily. Lily. Get it! Lily. Get it, Lily, get it! Lily. Get it! Lily. Get it! Lily. Get it! Whoa, right in the face. Lily, get it! Oh, Lily. Lily, go get it. Look how deep it is. Her face went in the snow. Lily, you're so cute. What are you coming right to me for? What are you doing? What are you doing? Go, 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 go. Hey, you're messing up my snowman. I mean, my snow angel. Lily, get it. That's hard for her to run through. Get it. 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 You're asking for it. I can't even throw right. If that one went a little bit farther. Lily, get it. Oh, Lily. Get mom. Get mom. She's cheating, Lily. Get it. Oh, Lily, good girl. I love you, Lily. I'm burning calories like crazy. Go, Mom! Hey! You could have gone all the way down here. There's Grandpa. Did you hear us? You went so far. Come on, Levi. Let's go in the snow. Come on, Levi. Levi, come on. Good boy. Levi, let's go. Let's go find Abigail and Mom. Grandma. Whoa. Yikes. Levi. Come on, Levi. Come on, Levi. Levi, come on. Levi. Come on, Levi. Come on, Levi. Good boy. Come on, Levi. Come on. Good boy. Levi. Okay, let's go. Go, Levi. Go, go, go.
The sun went down. There's some dark clouds coming. We might have a chance, a little bit of snow soon tonight. And then nothing really tomorrow. And kind of rain Thursday. Nothing really Friday, just cloudy. And then Saturday on, I think it's rain and snow as far as you can see. So I think we'll end up getting more because the sun really melted away some of this today, but it's still pretty thick. Bye. Such a beautiful day, and still tons of snow, but it's melting quickly from the sun. We have some rain tomorrow, I think, and then another just kind of cloudy-ish, nice day like today on Friday, and then Saturday on is rain and snow. I'm excited to have more because the sun yesterday and today just melted things pretty quick, and then it turned to ice last night. Trying to get my car out for the first time because I'm going to try and work tomorrow. I missed days of going to town to DoorDash and Uber Eats and Roadie to work because of all the snow, and I should be able to make it out by tomorrow, but I'm going to try right now. Kind of work down the road with the quad, but there's a thick area right here and then a steep hill to go up. So much snow right here still. It's fun to play in. My car does pretty good. It's all-wheel drive Mazda SUV. Beanie, what you doing? Beanie. Oh, Beanie, you're in the snow. Beanie. Beanie. Go, Beanie, go. You can make it. Go, Beanie. You can make it to the cabin. So nice out. Slowly but surely. Beanie. Where are you going? To the sun? Beanie, I love you. Very carefully. Good girl. Beanie, you made it. Beanie! Oh, and back under to play.